Molly, do you want some foods? Do you want to go inside and get some foods? Molly? Want foods? Come on. Let's get foods. Come on. You don't want to get foods? Come on, Molly. Let's go. Come on, Molly. Foods. Come on. Do you want to come inside and get some foods? Come on, lady. You want to go? You want to stay out here? Really? You sure? Do you want to come inside? Why not? Don't you want some delicious kibble? Come on, don't you want some delicious kibble? Okay. Let's go in. I'm going to have to herd you. Let's go, lady. Come on, Molly. You really don't want to go in, do you? Molly. Molly. Come on. Come on. Let's go. I see. All right. Well, I'm going in. I'm going to shut the door. Good night, Molly. Okay. Come on, let's go. Inside. Inside, Molly. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good girl.